Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two e-commerce platforms, which is Empire Flippers and acquire.com. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Empire Flipper in 2025 is a top choice for selling established online businesses like e-commerce store, content site, and Amazon FBA brand. It offers strict vetting, full migration support, and access to serious buyer, which means higher trust and often higher valuation. The downside is steep success fee and the stricter entry requirement, which can make it harder for smaller sellers to list. Acquire.com, on the other hand, shines with a faster, more flexible process, especially for SaaS and a startup. It's cheaper for sellers and also has a strong buyer protection like NDAs and EQ. It makes it easier for simpler or a founder. However, listing skills towards smaller and mid-sized business, valuation can be slower than Empire Flippers, and buyer face subscription costs. So if you want a white glove sales with a minimum credibility, Empire Flipper wins. If you want speed, lower fee, and startup focus, acquire.com is better fit. And that's it.